గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అండి. నేను డాక్టర్ నవీన్ కుమార్ వెనుగల్ల, కన్సల్టెంట్ న్యూరాలజిస్ట్, గ్లోబల్ హాస్పిటల్లో చేస్తాను. ఇవాళ మేము ఇక్కడ గ్లోబల్ హాస్పిటల్లో కన్సల్టెంట్ న్యూరాలజిస్ట్ వర్కింగ్ ఫర్ గ్లోబల్ హాస్పిటల్ గ్రూప్ హైదరాబాద్. So today, for 3 days starting from today, we have started a global health expo at our LB Nagar hospitals unit. So the basic idea is, in this health exhibition we have created stalls, about 18 to 20 stalls are created, covering various aspects of our health, including infectious diseases like malaria, typhoid, tuberculosis. And that means how they spread and what are the modes of communication, how to take precautions, what are the treatment options. All these things we will be discussing in the stalls. Apart from that, all other non-communicable diseases which are commonly seen in our population, like stroke, cardiac problems, spine problems, all these things, we have created stalls, and we will be explaining to students about the preventive aspects which they need to take care of. So this is our idea. And why we have started this program is because children, unfortunately, in our country, we don't have any health education. So we study about sociology, history, all those things. But unfortunately, in our curriculum, there is no health education topics. So most of the children, they don't know about the health aspects. So by doing this, we can create health awareness in them at the early stage itself, so that the same information can be passed on to the parents as well as the grandparents, and overall the community gets educated. This is the idea and the concept behind starting this health exhibition. And for this, we will be doing for the next 3 days, and lot of every day 1,000 school children will be given a workshop sort of thing, apart from videos, lab tests, and how we do them. All these things will be explained in this health expo, and I think this will be value addition for the school children. And definitely after 10th class, when they are planning to take up their careers, they wanted to go become an engineer or a doctor, at least they will know what they will be going to do in the future. And for that purpose also, this health exhibition helps. And at the same time, they can educate the society also and contribute for our growth of our country. So this is our intention, and I hope it will be a huge success. This is the first day, and till now about 500 students already we have conducted a workshop, and they are really enjoying the topics, and including the teachers are also really enjoying the topics, and hope this will go a long way. And in future, every month we are planning to educate all the children surrounding this LB Nagar hospitals in a phased manner. Thank you very much.